Hi guys, this is our mini vlog and we are heading to Coffee Rush, Taguig to Pinanganan. We are near to a Coffee Rush. Disclaimer lang guys, matirik siya and before na makarating sa mismong place, dadaan muna kayo sa East Ridge entrance gate and pay for 50 pesos for motorcycle. After 1 hour drive, we have arrived at Coffee Rush. And also guys, malapit lang siya sa Escalera and other coffee shops na overlooking there. Naghanap kami ng spots na maupuan namin. But we chose sa wala masyadong nakaupo para maganda yung sight ng view. Marami pa siyang other floors pero di na kami umakyat kasi masyadong maraming tao that time. And we settled to that place and ordered their signature iced chocolate and strawberry latte while having deep talks while waiting sa sunset. And this is the view guys after waiting. Worth the wait sunset kasi napaaga kami nagdating. What a view talaga, sa sobrang ganda ng sunset, diba? Then, picture taking saglit and decides na umalis na din after since dumadami na din yung mga tao sa place. Madadaanan nyo din pala dito guys yung over the top na isa pang recommended overlooking din. And ayun, maganda ang uwi kasi uuwing may sunset na natatanaw sa biyahe. Bye guys!